take a look at crews, labor, and equipment. Crews, labor, and equipment can be added to any assembly in any folder or any estimate that you have in the system. Crews can be added or adjusted to any assembly as well. Let's take a look at the drywall assembly. Within this assembly, there is no crew, but we can add a crew to that very easily by going to the Crews tab over here on the right column, finding a crew that matches our needs. Let's type in drywall, and let's add 2 drywall finishers. We'll copy that item. We'll go to our drywall assembly. We'll paste that item. We now have 2 drywall finishers inside of our drywall assembly. Super easy. You could also paste those drywall finishers into a crews folder as well if you needed. And now we have those crew inside of our crews folder. You can also attach labor into an assembly as well. If you come up to the labor tab on the right here, let's type in drywall. We'll look for a drywall hanger. Copy that item, go to our drywall assembly, and we're going to paste that drywall hanger now into our assembly. Same thing with the crews folder. You could also paste that drywall hanger into the crews folder as well. If your crew needs equipment to install the drywall, you can also go to our equipment tab here. Let's look for a lift to help them load this drywall. Let's get an electric scissor lift, 10 to 13 feet. I'm going to copy that. Let's paste that into our assembly. And we now have some equipment as well loaded into this drywall assembly.